Welcome back, Crew Empire. My name is Justin Bohn. Today I'm going to be bowling a trios tournament with my brother Brandon and one of his teammates from Weber, Charles Bostic, who you've seen before in the vlog.
I'm about to have the run of the life. Run of the lifetime.
Today we'll be bowling a trios event down in Florida. But before we get started, go hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video, and let's waste no time and get right into this.
Bohn in his prime. Stashed up.
All good ball reaction. I don't know what they want more.
Last like 3 games, our low count is 9, and we're like 50 over.
After 12 Baker games of qualifying, we qualified second for the stepladder finals format. 2 games, trios, Baker, total pinfall is gonna move on. Winner bows for the title.
Yeah, same difference.
We ended up losing our match in the stepladder by a good amount, but you know, things happen. They were getting 40 pins a game, 80 pins in the 2-game match, and unfortunately the pins didn't fall our way, and they did their way. They actually beat a scratch, and well, with the handicap, we're not gonna talk about it. So we ended up finishing 3rd on the day. Overall, had a blast bowling, and can't wait for the next one. As for now, be sure to go hit the subscribe button, like the video. Crew Empire, we'll see you next time. Peace.